I also want to remind all of our TOSV members that you can take advantage of our club discount. You can get a 10% rebate on all Michelin tires, and they actually have a stackable offer right now where you can stack your 10% rebate on top of the discount that they have right now. Hi, I'm Kelvin G from Tesla Owners of Silicon Valley, and I'm here to talk about tires, specifically Michelin's e.Primacy tires. Michelin was kind enough to introduce these tires at our X Takeover event last year at San Luis Obispo, and I finally got a set on my Model Y. And these are Michelin 255/40R 20 inches, and you can see at the bottom here it says that they're the e.Primacy brand. And they are specific tires made for EVs. They are a lot more efficient, they give you more range, and we're going to talk a little bit more about these. So the first thing I like to talk about is the efficiency of these tires. They are made specifically for EVs, so they have special rubber compound that allows them to be up to 25% more efficient than leading competing brands. Trust Ted actually did a video where he actually tested it out, and I don't think he got up to quite that high, but they're definitely more efficient than the current OEM tires that he had on his Model S, so check out that video. The e.Primacy All Seasons, they provide up to 20 more miles of battery range because of their efficiency. So your mileage may vary, of course, depending on, the vehicle, the weight, and how fast you drive. A lot of reviews, a lot of our members have bought these tires, and they're saying that they are seeing an uptick in their range. And then the last thing I'll talk about in terms of efficiency is they last a lot longer, and they can give you up to 13,000 more miles in everyday driving. And that's significant. That's like equivalent to 12 more months of tires and range. Being able to save some money and not having to replace your tires as frequently is a big deal, because we all know that EVs are heavy and they tend to eat through tires. The other thing I like to talk about is the lack of road noise and the comfort of these tires. I noticed them right away once these tires were installed. Once I pulled them out of the garage, I noticed it right away. They were definitely more comfortable. It was like putting on a new pair of sneakers. You definitely notice the extra grip. And as I started to drive them, they're definitely quieter. It was more relaxing. And that's because they have noise reducing technology that really have an optimized tread design for noise cancellation. So they have what they call a silent rib technology and piano acoustic tuning, which is really designed to lower the noise levels. The other thing is they're a lot smoother. The ride is a lot smoother. I mean, Tesla's, the ride is smooth anyways, but it's just makes for a lot more enjoyable driving experience with these tires. They have something called Cushion Guard, which optimizes the ride and comfort by placing kind of the special absorbent rubber between the tread and steel belts to help cushion and dampen bumps in the road and slight imperfections. The other thing is these tires are kind of special in terms of how they look. When you touch them, they have this kind of like this velvet-like texture. It's because they have a sleek, kind of like a matte black aesthetic. Kind of gives you this cool matte contrast, which not all tires have. So aesthetics matter. And you also notice that I threw in the alligators, mostly for aesthetic reasons, but also it kind of helps protect from curb rash. So shout out to alligator as well. A shout out to Michelin again for these tires, and I also want to remind all of our TOSV members that you can take advantage of our club discount. You can get a 10% rebate on all Michelin tires, and they actually have a stackable offer right now where you can stack your 10% rebate on top of the discount that they have right now. Membership has its privileges. You should have gotten an email from me about that, so go check out your inbox. But if you're in the market for a new set of tires for your Tesla, definitely check out the e.Primacies.